What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video, we have got a ton of boxes to get through. We have a package from Comic Tom 101. We have a comic book trade that I did. A package from Mercari. A package from Funko. We have a Whatnot auction, even though it says eBay. We have a box from Hot Topic. We have another Whatnot box. And we have a package from Target. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have a ton of stuff to get through today. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into some packages because I've got a lot to open today. Let's start with the Target one first. Alright, peep the packaging. Pretty solid. And yes, there we have it right there, the Michael Jordan. There's the front, there's the side, the back, bam, the other side, and the front again. Pretty freaking cool. One step closer to finishing the Michael Jordan collection. I still have a lot to actually collect from the Michael Jordan, I guess, line. Let's open a Whatnot auction pop. Yep, Whatnot. That's a Whatnot slip. Peep the packaging, pretty cool. This is another Game of Thrones pop. Pretty freaking cool. It is Melisandre from the Game of Thrones line. Pretty cool. There's the side, the back. Yeah, I finally finished Game of Thrones once again, so the love for the show is still there. I really like the show. I think I want to try to get more from the series before I believe the next show comes out. I think it in 2022, I think it's the next show. Let's switch some gears and open this Hot Topic box. I already know what this is. I think I've already looked at it. I already picked up that pop in store, so this is just extras. I actually thought this one got canceled. It said it got canceled, but it's here, obviously. Got all the packaging slips and everything there. This is how it's been packaged. There he is right there. It's the Bakugo. Not much difference with this pop, considering that it's almost the same exact pop from the what's it, SDCC 2019 summer convention. But there he is right there, pretty freaking cool. You've probably already seen him a million times already, but there he is right there. Pretty cool. I mean, they could have did another character or changed the pose up, the outfit up a little bit, but there he is nonetheless. I really want a Moneta pop. That would be pretty cool. I'd really like to have a Moneta pop. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know, maybe him holding the balls in his hand, maybe getting ready to throw it or something. I don't know. Something would be pretty cool other than like the usual, the All Mights or the Dekus. Don't get me wrong, I like both of those characters, but change it up. Change it up. Let's open a Mercari package. Yeah, I think this is Mercari. I found this one on Mercari and it was actually a really good deal. Even it was just a little bit over MSRP from the regular. It's one of the FunCon exclusives. It is another Fat Gum. Alright, so there we have it right there. Fat Gum again. Like I said, this was just a little bit over MSRP, so I had to snag it. I mean, I've been seeing these sell for like 60 a piece, and this was just right above what you paid in the store for it. So I went ahead and got it. Plus, I had some Mercari credits, so might as well use the Mercari credits. So there we go, right there, My Hero Fat Gum. We're narrowing down the packages. I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So we're going to go ahead and open this one right here. This is another one I got on Whatnot. This is not actually going to be my pops. This is my cousin James. You've seen him on the channel before. He's into Naruto like heavily, and he wants to get more of the Naruto pops. So that's what we're going to try to do. Achieve it. I just about stabbed myself, but just about stabbed myself again. That's what that packaging situation looks like right there. So the first one we have up from the Naruto line, that's pretty cool. I thought about collecting Naruto, but there's just way too many. Well, there's not that many, but the prices are kind of outrageous, even for the commons. So I don't think that's going to be happening anytime soon. I'll just enjoy the show and just collect from a distance, I guess. In my mind, I'll collect the whole series. Bam, there we go, Naruto. That's number 1. We actually have one more. Bam, there's that one right there. Really freaking sweet, pretty cool. Like I said, I really like the series, or I really like the pops. It's just that these pops are kind of expensive. Bam. I don't know if my cousin James has any of these pops, but he's got these now. You switch it up and look at some comic books right here. I think that's what these are, is comic books. These right here. Alright, let's go ahead and crack it. Alright, so I had a few comics that I wasn't reading or already read and enjoyed and was ready to let them go. So I went ahead and did a trade. Here we have Eat the Rich number 1. It's pretty cool. This one is recent, just like a couple of weeks ago maybe. But I thought I would just get it because I really like horror comics, like anthology, Tales from the Crypt, Tales from the Dark Side, you know, the stuff that's kind of scary. I really like that. There we go, right there. Pretty cool. I have not yet read this, so, well, obviously I haven't read it because I just opened it. But there it is right there. Pretty freaking cool. Alright, so the next one is Ice Cream Man number 23. I actually went to my local comic book shop and they did not have this issue, so I was able to get this. There we go right there, Ice Cream Man number 23. Pretty freaking sweet. So the next two are from the Grim Tales of Terror. We have issue number 4, volume 1. Pretty cool. I have not read this one either, so I'm going to give those a read and add them to the collection. And this one is number 2, issue number 2, volume 2. Pretty cool. Like I said, they're anthology, different stories every comic, so I really like that because you can jump into any comic from Grim Tales of Terror and, you know, be completely okay with not having the first issue, unless sometimes it may tie into the next issue, but more than likely, whenever you read one, it's a one and done. So pretty cool. I really like the anthologies. And this one I don't remember. It's in shape of like comic books, so I think it may be comic books. We'll find out. Oh yeah, okay, alright. I remember what this is now. This is Mystery Mail Call. It is from Comic Tom 101 on YouTube. He has his own like very own comic book mystery box. The reason I got this one is because there's going to be an Ice Cream Man issue number 24 that's going to have a regular cover and a Virgin variant cover. So I'm into Ice Cream Man, so that's why I got this one. And I think they're monthly, so I just want to get this one because it has a chance of getting a virgin copy of Ice Cream Man number 24. I will open this in a separate video, so sorry. And stay tuned. Stay tuned. For all the money in the bag, we have this last package, and it is from Funko. So let's go ahead and crack this, and let's see what's inside. It's a box within a box. It is from Funko. Pretty cool. Box within a box. Boxception, if you will. What I have here are some pops for my cousin and myself. We have a Kakashi from Naruto right there. Like I said, James is really into Naruto and he's wanting to try to complete the collection. And there he is right there. Pretty crazy. I got these for retail. I've been looking them up on like Mercari and whatnot and all that stuff like that. And they are going up in price. And I was able to snag that at retail, so that's pretty cool. The next one we have up is, I had to get it, is the Venomized Captain America. Sorry. But there he is right there. Just another step to completing my Venomized collection. Which I should have got them when they first came out, but what are you going to do? I think from this one I need Iron Man and Hulk. And I'll have this set complete. They had it on the shop, so I was like, might as well. Here is Ochaka, My Hero Academia. Pretty cool. Bam. Bam. Last but certainly not least, we have Pain from Naruto Shippuden. Pretty cool. I think James is kind of hyped about this one. I think he was hyped about this one, but there it is right there. Pretty freaking sweet. Going the other way. There he is. Bam. Boom. Yep. Pretty cool. I would like I said, I would be interested in collecting Naruto, but those pops are just starting to go up in price, and I'm already collecting My Hero, so you know the deal. If you watch My Hero, you know the deal. I think that is it. Besides this one right here, and I'm not going to actually take it out. I'm just going to give it to Ricky, and then I'll show you a video clip or a picture or whatever of this shirt in action. That is it. That is the time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And on behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.